Hey guys, Saving with Shay. Please excuse my AC because it's hot and I got this hot sweater on thinking it was going to be cold today, and it's not. That's because when you live in the high desert, it's like the weather just be like, it's hot, it's cold, it's hot, it's cold, it's raining, it's snowing, it's hot, it's cold. And so when I left this morning, it was cold, and now I'm there a little hot. And so this is CVS. Now I'm not even gonna lie, you guys, every Sunday for the last, like, I want to say maybe 3 weeks, 2 weeks, I've kind of been like, okay, I'm gonna get back into it, but then I just didn't.
And then last Sunday, our Wi-Fi was out. No phone service, no Wi-Fi, couldn't do nothing. And I was just like, okay, whatever. And so, yeah, I didn't even try that week. And then this Sunday, we had a flipping hurricane tsunami. And so your girl was home all day Sunday. They canceled school on Monday, so I was home all day Monday. And barely getting out today to try to do some deals. So I'm going to share some with y'all. I don't have a lot of deals. God, people always park right next to you. You looking at me, I'm looking at you. You. I've never had somebody sit that dang close to me, though. You looking at me, and I'm looking at you. So awkward. It's so freaking awkward. But anyways, I don't have a lot to share, y'all. I don't have a lot, but I just wanted to kind of just use this as a way to kind of, get back into doing CVS. So this video will be quick. I'm hoping you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to smash the like button. If you're new, I am Shay. Definitely hit the subscribe button, support your girl. Don't forget to ring the notification bell as well, so you never miss out on deals, on videos. And so, without further ado, let's head into CVS and share some awesome deals.
All right, so my first deal is gonna be on the Almay. Spend 15, get back 5. Now this store doesn't carry the eyeshadows, which was my first, choice, but this store doesn't have any. And I definitely want to grab eye products because we do have a 3 off of 1 coupon. Mine did expire. Well, I'm sure yours expired too. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab the pencils down here at $10.29. So we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them. The total is gonna come to $20.58, and then again we're going to use 2 of these $3 coupons right here. And then on the app we have a 5 off of 1 CRT and a 4 off of 14 CRT. So that's going to bring the total down to paying $5.58 out of pocket, but we're going to get back 5 in extra care bucks, plus we'll get back $3 for each on Ibotta, making this a $5.42. The next deal that I'm going to do is on the L'Oreal Elvive. It is 2 for $9. It's also buy 2 get back 3. Now for this, I did order a set of IPs right here from my Ip Fairy. It is on coupons.com as well, and that is hopefully glitching with the digital right there, which is 3 off of 2 as well. So you end up paying 3 and getting back 3, making them both free. All right, the next deal is going to be on the You Buy Kotex. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's also buy 2 get back 2. We're just going to go ahead and grab the cheap ones right here, priced at $1.89 for the first one, and then the second one is going to be, I want to say, 95 cents. So you'll pay $2.84 out of pocket, getting back the 2, making it 84 cents for 2 of them, or 42 cents each. All right, so I was gonna do a deal, but silly but forgot to grab the toothpaste when I was over here, and they're already gone. So what I was gonna do, I was gonna grab 2 of the 3D white right here, was priced at $5.49. I was gonna grab 2 of those and then run down here and grab 2 of the toothbrushes at $4.99. I have a 4 off of 20 CRT that I was gonna stack with it, which is right there. Total was gonna come to what, $20.96, which is perfect, right? 6 off of 4 comes off. There's also a 2 off 2 that would come off as well. All right, so you end up paying $8.96, getting back 7, makes it $1.96 for 4, or like 49 cents, which is not bad. No, we don't pay for toothpaste, but that still wasn't a bad deal for me. So what I thought about doing is grabbing 3 toothbrushes at $4.99, and then grabbing the toothpaste right here at $6.59. The total would be $21.56. Then of course you have the 4 off 20 CRT, 6 off 4 CRT, the 2 off of 1. Hopefully, if everything works out, you pay $9.56 out of pocket. Getting back the 7 will make it $2.56 for all 4 products, or 64 cents, which is definitely not bad. So I low-key want to try that and see if that works out, if I can get all the digitals to come off. worked out perfect, okay? I'm not gonna say perfect like straight off because it didn't. So I got the 3 toothbrushes for $4.99. We got the Crest toothpaste. I'm hoping that pops up on Ibotta because you know. It's at $6.49. And then there goes the $2 digital. There goes the 6 off of 4 digital. There goes a 4 off 20 CRT. Paid a subtotal of $9.56. All right, and got back to 7. All right, so what happened with this is the first time that I did this, I had her scan the toothpaste first, followed by the 3 toothbrushes, and it did not, it didn't pick up the $2 digital. So I had her avoid it. We scanned the toothpaste, hit total, the $2 attached to that, and then we came back out, resumed scanning the toothbrushes, and then the 6 off of 4 attached, as well as the CRT, I'm sorry. So that worked out perfect for that. So yeah, it doesn't make it free or money maker for toothbrushes and toothpaste, but it's still not a bad deal. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get this other 3 deals on 1 transaction. And all right, I need a filler. A lot of you guys are always asking about fillers. Fillers is just an item that you're grabbing because you're using more extra care books than your total is. So if you know what your subtotal is, and so for me, this particular transaction I'm gonna do, my subtotal is 11. I want to say 11.46. I want to use 12 in extra care bucks. So I don't need to grab anything extra to absorb that 50 something cents, but because I don't want to waste it, then I go ahead and just grab something. So I usually will check this little dollar spot area they have here. I've grabbed these, which are always, you know what, maybe I'll grab one of these because we could use a new one. $1.29. I would usually grab the items that are $1. I grab forks because Josiah uses these in his lunches. What else have I grabbed? I'll grab the flosses because we have to have floss in our house. And yeah, so I always just grab things over here that I would buy anyways. So I was thinking if I should just grab one of these because we could actually use another one for the microwave. So I'm gonna use this as a filler, and then I'm gonna check out. So yeah, straws is another good thing too. I already have like maybe 3 or 4 packs of straws at home already. So yeah, I'm all strawed out. So yeah, let me go do this last transaction and get out of here. That transaction worked out really good. There goes the L5, there goes the Kotex, there goes the Almay, there goes our filler, and then all of our coupons that we use. Everything worked out perfect. All right, there goes our $3 coupons for the, what was that, the Almay, the L'Oreal. There goes the digital for the L'Oreal. There goes the CRTs from the Almay. And then I rolled $12 in extra care bucks each time since our subtotal. And we got back $5.10. So yeah. Okay, really quick. I just did this deal. This store was practically cleared out. I got like the last toothbrushes that were $4.99. That was working for the 6 off of 4 CRT because all of the toothbrushes were not working for that 6 off of 4 CRT. So these worked. So I grabbed 2 of those, and they didn't have the cheaper toothpaste. I had to grab these. These were $6.29. So $4.99 for the toothbrushes, $6.29 for the toothpaste. Total for all 4 is $22.56. Now for this, what I had them do, I had them scan the toothpaste, total it out. We had the $2 digital attached to that. Scan the toothbrush, total it out, $2 digital attached to that. And then scan the other 2 items and the 6 off of 4 attached as well with the 4 off of 20. So I ended up paying $8.56 for all 4 products, getting back the 7, making it $1.56 for all 4 products, are like 39 cents each, which is definitely not bad. I just wanted to share that really quick before I go home. But this is what the receipt looks like. So we have the L'Oreal at the very top, and then we have the toothbrushes and the toothpaste, and then as you see, everything came off. Like I had 3 digitals come off, which is awesome. And then we also had the digital for the L'Oreal as well. There goes a 4 off of 20 CRT. I rode a total of $12 in extra care bucks. The 3 was reduced down, which is fine by me. I just didn't really feel like grabbing a filler. I was just so stoked that everything worked out. So we paid $11.56 for everything, and then we got back 10. So what is that, $11.56, and we got back 10. So it netted at $156 for the whole entire transaction, which is really good. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. I still need to do Elvi one more time. I did the crest 3 times. I can do it one more time. The crest I did 3 different ways, basically. The last time I think I showed that clip where we grabbed 2 toothbrush, 2 toothpaste. We scanned toothpaste, hit total, scanned toothbrush, hit total, scanned the other 2 items, and the 6 off of 4 came off as well. So we saved the 2 off of on the toothbrush, 2 off of the toothpaste, and then 6 off 4. So it made it a sweet deal. I think we paid like 8 something. Got back 7, made that an even better deal. Wish I would have thought of doing that sooner. But yeah, so this is what we did today. I definitely want to do the Alme again. And so yeah, I really just want to just roll some extra hair bucks. Try to get back in the swing of things. And so everything you see here retails $124. I had $79 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $45. And then we walk away with 40 in extra care bucks and there's 6 on Ibotta. I'm hoping that Alme will reset for me so I can do it again. That's kind of low-key why I haven't did it again yet, because I want to see if it's going to reset. Even if without Ibotta, it would still only cost like 58 cents for 2, which is still not bad. But I kind of wanted to hold off until to see if it's going to reset or not. And so it nets everything here at free plus $1, which is definitely awesome. And then what else? So sales tax. Sales tax was $9.87. And so other than that, I will leave it there. Hope you guys are having the most amazing day, night, whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.